Hey guys, well, I finally started wiring this old girl up. Well, this big girl up, not old girl, this is a new girl. Um, this is a Dewalt 155 max PSI, 60 gallon air compressor. Um, I don't know what Dewalt was thinking about when they put these pressure switches on here because they are really, really hard to get at and to get your wiring through there. Now, I used a 3-wire. I couldn't even imagine if I used a 4-wire setup. Um, But this is my ground. I used a green wire on a 3-wire setup. Green one is my ground. It's grounded right to the body. This white one is normally a neutral, but I have that coming right from the breaker. That's going to be power, one half of the power. That's why this black electrical tape is on this wire. That tells anyone that's going to service or whatever to this machine that this wire is hot. The black one is the black one. That's power from the other half of the double pole breaker, which is right up here. I got to put that in and wire that. That'll be tomorrow morning. But yeah, I don't know why Dewalt did that. They should have did something a little bit better than the way this thing is set up. But I use a, normally most people would use a 4-wire. It's actually, they say, safer, but I mean, they've been running the 3-wire setups for dryers and kitchen ranges and everything else forever. But I had these parts already. I had this plug I had for quite a while. This outlet I had. So I just ran what I had. Everything works fine. I'll be testing it tomorrow. But yeah, this was the, it really wasn't bad. It was just fitting this in here. Now, they want you to use 10 gauge. But when you look at the other side where their motor is hooked in, that's 12. I don't understand that. But whatever, it's a 30 amp circuit. They could have probably had you just run it with a 20 amp, but I guess 30 won't kick off as much. Maybe that's their theory behind that. I don't know. But like I said, I've done this the same basic way for my welders, my big welder that I used to have. Everything works fine. The box, like I said, I just have to wire this in, and that'll be it. I'll be able to test it and give it a break-in run tomorrow. But if you guys get one of these Dewalt compressors, I don't know if, you know, maybe I should have turned it a little bit. I don't know, but then I'd have to replumb all this. But that's really the only hard part about wiring this up. Everything else is pretty simple. But we'll see. We'll see how it runs. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you in the know, I guess. Bye now.